Hey there, busy moms. Welcome to one of our summer song challenges. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning to play the song Summer Nights from the movie Grease. I don't know if you went through a Grease phase like I did, but I went through a phase in high school where I really loved the musical Grease, and I still enjoy the songs. So I hope that you'll enjoy learning this. If you're familiar with the song, you might not need to break down the rhythm a whole lot, but I am going to have you take a closer look at the rhythm, that dotted quarter note rhythm followed by the single eighth note. So let's have a look. So our dotted quarter note rhythm, if I was actually going to write out the counts, it would look like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So that's how it would look. Now, let me point to it and you clap along with it. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Let's try clapping that again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Good. We'll try playing it in just a moment. Before we do, I want you to notice some of the tricky timing in here with the rests. So we have rest, 2, and 3, and rest. So kind of crazy there. Left hand's going to play on this first beat here. So 1, 2, and 3, and rest. And then here, lots of dotted rhythms again. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So again, it's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So if this is tricky at all for you, I would really encourage you to listen to a recording of the song as well, because sometimes it's easier to follow the rhythm if you're familiar with the rhythm. So let's try this out on our keys. So let's just start with the first couple of measures. I'm just going to play my right hand so that we can work mostly on the rhythm. You'll notice finger 1 is going to be on D, and then I stretch up with finger 3 to the G key. So these are the 4 notes I'm playing. D, G, and A in this first part of the song. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and that's how it goes. So practice that after this video if you need to get a little bit more comfortable with that rhythm. When you're ready, you're just going to add the left hand with it, and you have the same patterns in the left hand. Start on G, you go up a D, go up a fourth to G, and then to A, G. So same patterns, same notes in the left hand when you're ready to add it. Let's look at measure 5 now. My finger 3 is going to come down to this F sharp, and it's going to sound like this. Lots going on there. Let's try it together really slowly, slower than what I just played for you. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and rest. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So I'm going to close the lid of my keyboard, and let's just try measure 6, tapping it, so you can see how the left hand kind of fits in with the right hand there. We're going to play 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Let's try that again. Ready? Go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So my left hand's going to play on the beat 3. Now let's try it at the piano, measure 6. Ready? Go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Good. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. A little bit tricky there. All right, now I want to take a look at the fingering in the right hand in measure 9. So I'm going to reach finger 2 up to my F sharp. So just a little bit of a reach there. Can you try that with me? Just the right hand. Ready, go. Now my right hand's up here and it's going to stay here until measure 14, where I'm going to sneak finger 4 up to B and reach down to the D. So a couple little fingering things to watch for there. My left hand's basically going to stay in this position, except for in measure 10, I'm going to cross finger 2 over to play the B, and then I'll come back down and set up again in this position. So I'm going to go ahead and play measures 1 through 16 for you so you can hear how they're going to sound and compare your playing to mine after you've had a chance to practice it in depth a little more. Here's Summer Nights from Greece.